At YCIS, we try as much as we can to incorporate cross-curricular activities. And so, with our G100 projects coming up and our student well-being programs, we were thinking, hey, why don't we join forces, because we have International Children's Day coming up on the 20th. And we went ahead and took the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child, and we had the students pick 15 of those rights and draw from those which one they want to make a video PSA about. Go ahead and think critically about it. How does that right apply to them? How they can maybe critically inform other people using that PSA.
Hello, my name is Sydney Seinfeld and I'm from Year 8. My topic for this project was no one is allowed to hurt children in a cruel or harmful way. The reason I chose this is because it's very important for if a child breaks the law. When they're put in jail, they should not be with adults and their loved ones should be able to visit them. Because since a child lives with their parents, they should be able to have visits from their parents to maintain a healthy lifestyle. And they should not be put in jail with adults, since these adults who have committed crimes before may give them bad ideas for the future.
Hello, my name is Jenny from Year 7. The right that I'm focusing on is children have the right to share their opinion to adults, and adults should take it seriously. This right is very important because nowadays students are struggling with their relationship with their parents.
Reinforcing global citizenship and our holistic approach to learning, the team behind #TermYCISBlue has enlisted members from the UN, UNICEF, Beijing Kids, and Time Out Beijing for some of their members to come in and help mentor our students during some of their projects and areas such as filmmaking, poster design, and PSAs.
Going Blue will not only serve students by broadening the knowledge in all things children's rights. In addition to that, they stand to gain skills from the invited specialists. These professionals will be the points of contact for students and will answer questions, collaborate with, and guide them during their project development, offering their expertise in industry-specific questions and share knowledge skills they have accumulated over the years.
Hi, my name is Jesse Cruz Fernandez. I'm here with UNICEF. I'm here today at YCIS to listen to students' public service announcements on child rights. And so far what has really impressed me is their ability to take such complex topics and use their creativity to communicate them to people in just remarkable ways. Already I've listened to 2 presentations. I'm already blown away by what I've seen, and I've got several presentations to come. I'm already looking forward to it.
Hello, my name is Duncan Christensen from Year 8. My right is about that children have a right to education and to teach people about that. And why that is important is because if you teach others about it, that leads to cooperation. And cooperation leads to happiness. Happiness leads to a better life.
Hi, my name is Hilary Tian and I'm from Year 8, and the right I chose is to ensure all children have the right to quality education. And the reason I chose this is because quality education is an opportunity in life, and it's also the most fundamental subject in life. It gives us an opportunity to succeed, and I think that all children should receive the opportunity. It can guide us to success, and it can also help to solve other various rights, for example, information.
My name is Drew Pittock. I work with Beijing Kids, and I am here today because I believe deeply in the right for every child to thrive. I believe the Going Blue project is particularly unique in that it gives the agency back to kids to help them help children all across the world. I think too often parents kind of take the reins on these issues, and it's important for kids and future generations to be able to lift up their peers and do what they can to ensure an equitable future for all.
Hi, my name is Elam. I'm from Year 7B, and the right I chose was children should not be punished in a cruel or harmful way. The reason I chose this right was because many teachers or parents or whoever take care of the children are abusing the child just because they don't obey them and they're just selfish. So I think it's a really good opportunity for us to tell all those parents and teachers or whoever take care of them it is not right to abuse children, and if it is a teacher that abuses someone, then I want to tell the parents what to do to make them feel better.